Today is Saturday, August 20th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado, 1 year only power window motor. This is for my friend Don Middleton in Texas for his fuel injected Eldorado convertible. And this unit has been completely rebuilt. Okay, and it is specific as that it has the parallel prongs for the electrical connection, unique to 1976. So the unit has been fully rebuilt, and I'm going to do a functional validation test. And I'll go ahead and apply power, and we'll be looking for the rotation of the worm gear inside going clockwise. There we go. And now we'll reverse orientation. Counterclockwise for reverse, retraction. And there we go. So this is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado, 1 year only power window motor for my friend Don. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados. Over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, power windows, motors, and door lock actuators, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, August 20th. Thank you very kindly.